Hey everyone, Tim over here at St. Paul GM Power. Today's Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to use the tire inflator kit on a 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. And that's going to be for all vehicles that do not come with a spare tire and come with the inflator kit. Alright, so if you go ahead and you get a flat tire while you're driving your vehicle, the first thing you're going to do is locate the inflator kit, which is in the trunk of the vehicle. So you'll go ahead and you'll remove the panel right here. And then under it, you're going to see there's an air compressor, and then there's an inflator kit itself, which is sealant. So we're going to go ahead and remove the sealant, and we're going to go ahead and remove the inflator kit as well. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to want to go ahead and unscrew this cord here, and this is actually going to go ahead and plug into the cigarette lighter of the vehicle, and you want to make sure the vehicle is on while you go ahead and perform this repair. Go ahead and plug it into the cigarette lighter outlet. And then at this point, we're going to go ahead and start the vehicle as well. Now with the vehicle running, you're going to go ahead and use the air compressor itself, and you're going to go ahead and pull this hose out. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and unscrew this hose as well, and then you're going to put this hose on the actual tire itself. So we're going to unscrew this counterclockwise, and we're going to go and screw this on clockwise. Now at this point, you're going to want to go ahead and hook this up, and you'll screw this onto the valve core, clockwise as well. And then at this point, you're going to want to go ahead and turn the air compressor on. And when you turn the air compressor on, it's going to go ahead and take this sealant and fill it full of the tire. Now you're going to want to inflate this to 35 PSI, and you do not want to exceed 50 miles per hour. So anytime that this sealant's in the tire, do not go over 50 miles per hour. And then you also need to get the vehicle to the service department within 100 miles. It's not safe to drive anything over 100 miles with that sealant in the tire. Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to this week's St. Paul's Tech Tip Tuesday. Now remember, you can always make a service appointment online at stpaul.com, or you can give us a call at 636-931-0055. Thank you.